if you're having water leaking on a CTS-V or any CTS with a wing on it, V3, I found mine leaking and found water presence down here where your inflator and miscellaneous other things you find down here are located in that foam box. The leak is actually coming from that area there where your third brake light comes through, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in this that hold that spoiler on and third brake light. The poor design is water pulls up right here, as you can see by the water droplets. If you pour water there and then put your seat down over here, you can see that the water slowly the water gets absorbed by this trunk liner, so you'll have to pop this off. They've got clips here and then a 7mm bolt that holds a handle in. Right here, there's a hand. No, there's the hood latch. So you got a handle. You pop that cover off. There's a 7mm bolt. And that liner has just a few miscellaneous random spots just attaching that, securing it to the deck lid. But if you go back here, I had my 5-year-old daughter pour that water, like a bottle of water in there, and then I kind of just watched to see what areas it was coming from. But my current remedy for the situation is HVAC contractor. So I have some insulation tape that we use for placing rooftop units on curbs, and that's really kind of on the thin side, but so far I've taken out I would say about 99% of it. I'm still having, I don't know if this is residual water from the testing, but I still see a little bit of water on that note. Sorry for my camera skills or lack of, but if the foam doesn't work out, what I'm gonna do is probably use some silicone, take the bolts back out, and then put some silicone around where the factory has a maybe 1/8 inch foam gasket, and that's essentially what I used here. But silicone might be the way to ensure that we don't have water constantly from car washes and precipitation outside. So definitely don't want water hanging on the trunk. And I first heard it after I bought it. I heard water sloshing around and went investigating, doing recon, trying to see where that was. And even the V2s I see a lot of information on, and the majority, if you search CTS-V, you find the V2s leaking from the taillight section, but on the V3s they appear to be leaking from the deck lid if you have a spoiler. So I just thought I'd upload this video since I was unable to find anything on it prior to taking it apart. So hopefully this helps out and is useful for other CTS owners.